A plant that grows armor always makes people stare. But I can't stop thinking about how it learned that trick long before anyone wrote its name down. So I picture myself walking through a sun-bleached field, brushing past stems that look harmless, until one catches my sleeve like it's trying to warn me. Which means I remember the travelers from centuries ago who wrote about animals tearing through the same fields, leaving nothing but shredded leaves behind. But plants never forget a threat, even across generations. So the ones that survived were the ones that fought back, pushing out tiny hard spikes that slowed every hungry jaw. Which means each thorn is a memory, a scar passed down because running wasn't an option. But the story gets stranger when you notice how different the thorns look from place to place. So you realize each shape grew out of a certain danger, like needles for insects that drill into stems, or hooked claws for larger animals that graze too close. Which means every thorn is a fingerprint of the enemy it faced. But here's the part I can't shake. Once humans appeared, they found those same defenses useful. So they carried thorny branches to fence off animals, planted spiky shrubs around homes, and treated the plant's battle scars as their own protection. Which means our history is tangled with theirs, more than we admit. And that's why, when you see a thorn glint in the light, you're looking at a survivor that spent millions of years teaching predators to keep their distance. And you're holding a clue to fights we never saw. So if you want more stories that uncover hidden battles like this, you know where to stay.